Hey, welcome back. Thanks for joining me again. Today, we're making some currywurst, one of my favorite dishes. Why? Because it's delicious and it's easy to make with just a few ingredients. Oh, I really like Germany. Lived there for a couple of years. Got to experience culture, different variety of foods. I went to Wurzburg, Nuremberg, Frankfurt, Munich, Berlin. Oh my gosh, it was so awesome. Missed that place. Wish I could kind of live there, but I'm living here. It's amazing culture. Loved it there. Oh, and they also have great donors. And I guess schnitzels. Anyways, let's go ahead and start cooking. Turn this heat. We're gonna make it medium. Add some oil here. Cut some onions and dice them. I use only half of an onion. And on my left, already started boiling some hot dogs. Hot dogs? What? Why are you using hot dogs? Well, yeah, you're supposed to use German sausage, and I do. I love them. All right, and at this point, we want to add some tomato paste. If you watch my videos, I always try to find something interesting to share, like a hack or some easy way to do things. I cook with chopsticks because they're like fingers and they won't get hurt or burnt. So I use it like this here. I tap it so that the ingredients can just pop off without splattering all over the place. Alright, now we're gonna go ahead and add some water. I only add about 2 or 3 teaspoons. Altogether though, I'm gonna put about 1/4 of a cup. All depends on your preference. Alright, now we're gonna go ahead and add some ketchup. And how much depends on you. You don't want to have mostly onions in your sauce. There are thick currywurst sauces. There's also a bit of watery. Okay, and it depends on your preference. Here is some German curry ketchup. I guess you can just go to the store, but I rather make some fresh flavors here. It makes a big difference. Alright, gonna go ahead and mix it up, see how thick it is. Probably gonna end up adding water. Like I said, I don't put more than half a cup of water, probably 1/4. Wow, this is such a strange coincidence. I found a little toy box with a German musical toy, so I'm gonna go ahead and play it while I'm cooking. Watch this. I have no idea what song this is. Alrighty, let's go ahead and that was cool. Let's go ahead and start cooking again. Alright, let's go ahead and add some paprika. Probably add like 1/4, couple shakes, 1/4 of a teaspoon. Not too much of this. The main thing is the curry powder. OMG. Alright. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and play this again. I don't know. I wish I knew the words to this thing. Alright, so let's go ahead and add some salt here. Still on medium-low. And also we're gonna add some honey. Balance things out. Give it a little bit of sweetness. We're gonna hit that there with some olive oil. And someone told me about this trick right here. You want to put some vinegar in there. It enhances the flavor. And now for the main ingredient, the curry. So I used to not put a lot of curry. I just put some. I'm not gonna tell you how much you should put, but I like to put a lot. I would say probably 1-2 teaspoons. And in fact, after you plate your dish, I leave some on the table. I'm talking about the powder or the curry dispenser, and sprinkle some on my dish. Okay, now I'm gonna stir this up and keep this cooking on medium-low. I think I'm gonna go ahead and take out these hot dogs. I took out all the water. Turning off the stove. Shake that, shake it, and let's see. Yeah, with a hot dog, if you just boil it, it'll taste watery, but if you kind of grill it in the pot, it makes it taste like kind of barbecue-ish with like a charry kind of smell, aroma. It's really good. Okay, so I just added some water. Stir this a bit here. This dish is almost done. Just a little bit more water because I'm just looking at it and I'm imagining it, putting it on my dish, and it also doesn't look like it has enough curry. You can kind of smell it, and it's up to you. It's your preference. Unless you want to go by the book, you can look up a recipe, but for me, I cooked this for some friends, my family, and they seem to love it. Okay, either that or I'm just lucky. Okay, I'm shaking this, shake. Oh man, that smell, hot dog. Oh, and guess what? Fries are almost done. Taking a look at that. Everything is cooking at the same time to prepare this meal. Really quick, should be able to finish it in about 10-15 minutes. And that's not a lot of time if you think about it. This is really quick. This should be almost done. Just gotta make sure everything there is cooked. The onions are nice and cooked. All those flavors just mixing together. Start plating this stuff. Here we go.